girl Naya BTV, and I'm back again with another video. And by the title, as you guys can see, it's gonna get me installing this nice, pretty frontal, and me going to Walmart picking up a little couple things, you know. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Y'all, I got it on my face because it's only right. Okay, as y'all know, I said I was doing my hair, so right now, y'all, I'm finna braid my hair down, blow dry it out, because I did wash it and it's a little shrunk. So I'm finna blow dry my hair out, then braid my hair down so I can go and give me some straight back. So I'm gonna try my best on these. I am not no braider. Yeah, and what I'm doing is, y'all, finna time lapse it and watch Dearra Truth or Drink. It's her 4th day. Y'all know she doing the 17 days she vlogging up to 17 days to her birthday. Y'all finna time lapse this and watch Dearra and braid my hair down, get my hair braided down so we can get this wig on. And yeah, this is my way of installing it. Do it your way because my way works for me. I don't use a stocking cap, even though the stocking cap help it last longer. I still don't use a stocking cap because I just feel like the stocking cap is just pointless. But yeah, don't talk about my Christmas tree because it's not a Christmas tree. It's just a decorative tree in my room, like, and it's pink and stuff. So yeah, we finna get to it. Smell like lemon and berries. Like I wish I could smell it. Here, smell. Let me put it towards the speaker. Put your nose up to the speaker, and I bet you smell it. Lemon and berries.
Not now, bitch in the world look like this. She thought I had wrapped up, pop an ice bottle of the crisp. Bitch, I was really broke, fuck I let like trying to check news, pussy real tight, got a good squish, fat lips on the wrist. Could've paid for it, but I'd rather him. Like me like 4 shooters, every bitch that I'm needing, yeah. I can't get this shit on hoes, I kiss my heart. Every bitch that hate on me got an ugly face and a botch bite. I ain't going there, that's my op part. I'm a bad bitch, I'm a black fire. Any nigga I call, bro, they fuck bitch, big catch fire.
So you gotta pay for these, okay. She made y'all pay for that, okay. Until like Tempur-Pedic and Futurist Black mattresses. The spring semi-annual mattress sale is going on now at Ashley. Click the link for better sleep and savings. Now she thinks she real something, got a special ringtone. When it beep, I know she coming, she just put her hair on. Now she thinks she feels something, she love me now. I need niggas for New Year's, and that I still could have known it. I'm big, I'm ready. That she thinks she real something, goes up the Eddie. That she thinks she real something, bust down her up, money, the stylist. She must think she real something, always going viral. She must think she real something, turn up on the bed, she must think got that other person, she's with me. Can't talk to nobody for people, me. I used to like me, I'm on the cat now. I see me, catch my last now. I'm waiting on running the best out. Every show that I get, packed down. If I can't be the got ripped off, then I'm down. I'm like, I can smile, let's go down. From colorful, another cousin, you got a baby daddy, don't want it. He done like me, I'm running shit. He can't
Now it's edges time.
Passing away at the top of the gas, ocean big eyes, ocean big. I know I got it, I'm on nobody, and nobody got a clue, nobody got a clue. Me and the cool pulling up with a private, and she got phone on the two, got phone on the two. I really like it, I wanna stay excited, don't wanna get tired of you, get tired of you. Get tired of you, get tired of you.
These hoes, I need more Louis. You gun broke ass hoes, still going through it. I should get these hoes a one-on-one, I go too stupid, bitch. You ain't fucking with my kid. All we gotta do is post a pic and make them sick. Any nigga I fuck with, he know he gotta spit. Any bitch I hang around, you.
That's why I'm so sick of these bitch. I've been like you around, you won't think something that was lying. You won't think something lying. I don't understand how you gonna be naked. I don't understand how you gonna think. Like you next time I wake up, you can just look me wrong. You gonna do.
How you think he choosing me? He wouldn't know what to do with me. He say that he addicted over here. This where good Gucci be.
On the way to class, and my wig is literally blowing. It's so cold out here. It was not just this cold here at this wet stage. I'm just coming back to. This is my hair when it looks wet. I was just showing you guys that, but I can insert some pretty pictures too. What is he running for? Extra. Oh, today is bring anything but a backpack. This boy bought a trash can.
You fucking.
He got a cooler.
I got an air fryer.
What you got?
An air fryer, but that shit is good.
Where's that?
It was good cause
Oh.
they're not dropping. My mama goes.
She got a guitar. We got a boogie. Basket. Perks of having to drop them down now. Scroller. Bobby.
What you feel good today? What you feel more today?
Oh my God.
Good luck. If I don't return, remember me, April. You can always find me. In here.
Yeah,
Oh my God, y'all.
another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
All right, y'all, I am officially back from Walmart, and let me just show you guys some of the things I got. As y'all know, I always get this, the Tree Hut, and I got the Cocoa Lime kind, watermelon, Cocoa Colada, cotton candy, my favorite. Got this little necklace because you can't beat it. Some two beauty blenders, some little room scents, some oil, body oil, makeup, pencil, nice little cute little purse, a couple tops. This is a little cute little simple top, cute, and a pair of black shorts. And this is all I got from Walmart, guys. I will be going to Target in the next vlog, and I'm gonna have more items. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Get drunk. How was my food on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.